Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Today, I have a small birthday haul. Well, it's before my birthday. My birthday is on July 19th. So I'm going to show you the things that I have gotten, okay? So, first is from Bath and Body Works. It's not that much stuff. I got the Waikiki Beach Coconut Shower Gel. And it smells so good. So good. The last thing I got from Bath and Body Works is the White Citrus Fine Fragrance Mist. It smells good. So some of these products I got from my family, and I got stuff that I purchased myself. And I got some things coming from Temu that I'm going to share in another video. So I'm about to turn 57, y'all. I'm not ashamed of my age because I really wasn't supposed to live this long. So I am grateful. I'm old and I love it. So let me show you some of these things I got from Macy. So I got Morgan Taylor. And it's these cute sandals. Aren't they nice? I tried them on and they are so comfortable. They are perfect for somebody like me with bad feet. And, you know, these usually look big on your feet, but I like the sparkles. I'm a sparkle girl. So these are really, really pretty. I love these. So family, if you're watching, some of these things y'all brought for me. I got a polka dot skirt. I love polka dots, y'all. I really do. And that is cute. It's long. I like to be comfortable. Since I'm older now, I don't like to keep pulling down my dresses. I got some dresses that still like that, but I really don't like that, to have to keep pulling it down and crossing my legs and all that stuff. Here's another Macy's. So some of these things I got from Macy's last act that I'm going to share with you. And I'm going to tell you the prices, just to show you what you can get from Macy's last act. So I got this mint green top, like a sporty top. What brand is this? I don't have on my glasses. Let me see if it's on the tag. Ideology. Is that a good brand, y'all? And this was $4.93. Hope you can see it well. Again, it's this one. So this is nice to wear with jeans and stuff. If y'all know something about the Ideology brand, let me know. I don't know anything about it. But since it's Macy's, I assume that is a good brand. The next item I got is this shirt here. It is very pretty. In the back. I love this shirt. And this is made by Casper. This was $9.96. That's still a good deal. So that Macy's last act. I think the last time I did a review, I think I told y'all the prices were going up. And the cashier told me, "You're not coming the right days." I said, "Well, what are the right days?" And she didn't tell me. So I lucked up this time. I came on the right day. And they had some good sales. And I got just a plain gray top, casual top with jeans again. And this is Style & Company, Style & Co. And you know, you see these kind of shirts all the time. So it's nothing so special about it, but you can make it look nice. $2.93, y'all. See there? The next shirt I have is Yale University. No, I've never been to Yale. I wouldn't qualify to go to Yale, but I'm going to wear this doggone shirt. Okay, so that's cute. And I had on the dress when I went in the dress, I mean not the dress, the skirt, when I went in the dressing room, and even with a skirt it looked cute. It is something that you can wear out or knock around in the house in. And this was $4.93. I'm going to get my glasses because I'm kind of squinting, y'all. So I found this sweater dress, and I usually don't wear sweater dress. I think I have another one in my closet because I think they can look bulky, but right now I don't care. I tried it on and it's cute. It's this one, and it comes below the knee, and it's good heavy material. And this is made by Cocoa Blue. Let me show y'all the price. $2.96. $2.96. You cannot beat that. You know, there are a lot of other Macy's last act. Matter of fact, there's another one near me. They're closer to me than this one with the good deals. They got a bunch of junk and the stuff is overly priced, like the t-shirts and stuff. They're pricing it a little more, like $10, $20 when you can get it. And you can get it at this place for $2.96. You know, you can't beat that. And if you're building a wardrobe or just want to pick up some stuff, go to Macy's Last Act. You could take $100 and get a lot of stuff. Sometimes even cheaper than the thrift shop. I'm going to show you my last bag that I have. Let's see. So this is the last one. This last act had right next to it Macy's Backstage. And both of those areas are inexpensive. So I got the Rebecca Minkoff Fragrance Mist perfume. That smells so good. That smells so good. Wow. And this was only $7.99. And it doesn't smell cheap. You know, a lot of times you get these body sprays and stuff and they smell cheap, or you put it on and then later on it starts smelling funny. Not with this. Macy's Backstage and Last that got a lot of perfumes, a lot of lotions, body wash, stuff for the hair. And so this is a wonderful deal. I have a sweater here. And it's this one. I love that color. I love this color. And this made by Chenault. And this was $2.96. $2.96. And Macy's Last Act have a also a rack in there. Okay, they got $4.99, $14.99, $19.99, I think $39.99. And they have a rack of nice dresses. I don't go over there. I just try to get the real cheap deals. So I got this sweater. This sweater you will burn up in. But it's cute. It's like kind of like a poncho. And you can roll this down. The neckline, the neck down. And it's heavy. Ooh, I'm having trouble finding the sleeves. I just want you to see the sleeves. So the sleeves are like this, so it has a poncho effect. And this brand is Joseph A. I don't know about that brand. And let me show you the price. Okay, the suggested retail was $88. The comparable value was $29.99. But the real price was $2.96. You cannot beat that. So the days when I don't wear real heavy sweaters when unless it's like a storm or it's really, really cold. You know how sometimes it can be bone chilling cold. I would wear something like that. So the last item I have is, you notice I have had a lot of sweaters. They guess trying to get rid of these sweaters. So I got this one in this rust color, and it feels good. You can turn down that neckline like that. And this is by Philosophy. Okay, I heard of Philosophy. That's a really good brand. $2.96. You cannot beat it. So you know, sometimes you go to the mall, well, at least I do, and you don't have that much money, and I'll be saying, I want to shop. And you can take $20, $40. You could even take $10 and get like 3 things, you know? So these were early presents for my birthday. And this is the second year that my family got me things earlier than my birthday. Last year, my daughter took me to Atlantic City. And then near my birthday, it was almost my birthday, and exactly on my birthday, I spent time in Delaware with my sister. And we had a beautiful time. Y'all saw that video. And we had a wonderful time. She spoiled her baby sister. We just think my mother said we're 17 months apart. She think I'm a baby, y'all. She is not that much older than me. But she takes care of me like I'm her baby. Isn't that beautiful? I love her for that. I really do. So, if you want to bless a sister for her birthday, I have an Amazon wish list, and I don't have real expensive things up there. You can take a look up there if you want to bless me, and make sure that you leave your name or who you are that gave the gift. And if you want to remain anonymous, you can. I have things starting, I think, at $1.99. Look, y'all, I'm not uppity. You see all this cheap stuff I wear? I am not uppity. So if you want to bless a sister, you can. Because I'm going to quote a sister up here and she's going to laugh. I'm not going to even tell her name. She's going to laugh. She said, a closed mouth don't get fed, okay? And I thought about that thing and I said, I'm always preventing my blessings because I had so much pride. So if you want to bless a sister, you can. If you can't bless me, make sure that you pray for me, okay? Send me some prayers on my comments or something. I love that. That is very, very important. I'm going through some trials in my life, and plus, with my health and everything. So I need your prayers, y'all. I really, really do. And when it's hot, my health get worse. When it's real cold, it gets worse. So since it's so hot now, I'm not doing that well. Okay? So don't forget, if you can't get me anything, give me those prayers. I love and need your prayers, okay? So thank you for watching, okay? I love y'all. Have a wonderful day.